Hello and welcome to our vocabulary unit 10 review. Discussed everything about this unit before, and today we're going to have this wrap up, and we're going to revise the words quickly, the meanings, and the blue pages that we have already discussed before. So the first word is actual. Actual is an adjective and the meaning is real or happening in fact or reality. The actual price is $5.99. Actual means real or actual, and bring is, as you remember, the edge of something, the edge especially of a high place or steep. The brink of a cliff. The hiker stood near the brink of the cliff. And brink is of course a noun. Fortunate is an adjective and it means having or bringing good luck. It means lucky. And we have an example. We were fortunate to have no rain during spring break. Fortunate and conquer. Conquer is a verb and it means to defeat or take over, master or overcome. And the example: the army hoped to conquer the enemy quickly. Of course, what you see in the picture is a tank. Okay, and fury, which is a noun. Fury means strong anger or rage, like night fury. The example is a bad temper often leads to a state of fury, very strong anger. And intend, which is a verb that means, it means to plan to do something, or to have a goal or a purpose in doing something. I hope you intend to do your homework. Of course, all the work now is homework, even teaching is homework. Okay. And the word pattern. Pattern could be a noun and a verb. When it is a noun, it means the way the shapes and colors are arranged or put together, or it means a model or a design that is repeated. And the example is the striped pattern is the same in each candy cane. You can say also the pattern on my blouse is of blue and yellow flowers. A pattern also could be a verb, which means to make or follow, to follow a model or to follow a design. I hope to pattern my behavior after someone I look up to. Now you can see in the picture this little girl would like to pattern her big sister's behavior. And the outgoing person is a vibrant and adjective, which means full of life, energy and activity. The example is your personality is lively and vibrant. And here this is a nice teacher in a nice classroom and with nice students, and we really miss this. And wit is a noun and the meaning is a talent to describe things or people in a funny way, to be clever in amusing people. A teacher with wit often knows how to keep the students' attention in class. And okay, now we reached the prefixes. You should, by the way, revise the synonyms and antonyms, and we will have a discussion in our virtual class. Here the prefixes on, the, and over. On means first, what is a prefix? It's a part of the word, a syllable or two, that we add at the beginning of the that we can add at the beginning of a word to change the meaning, like happy, unhappy, heat, overheat. Prefixes and their meaning: we have on means not, and D means remove, and over means too much or beyond expectation. Okay, so also there are other prefixes that you have studied before in grade 3 and this year in the same vocabulary book. Re means again, rewrite, write again. Un, not, unkind, not kind. Pre, before, pre-made, or prefix. And it is not dishonest. Im, not impolite, and non, nonsense, having no meaning, having no sense, and miss, which is wrong or bad, miss. And here this is another example from your book. Un plus fortunate will give us a new word, which is unfortunate, means not lucky. D plus frost will give us a new word, defrost, which means remove frost or ice. Over plus flow will give us overflow, which means beyond the top, the surface. And here these are some vocabulary words from the page in your book. Un plus safe, unsafe. Over plus time, overtime. D plus plane, deplane, get off the plane. And un plus certain, uncertain or not. And now we're gonna get a quick revision on what is an idiom. An idiom is an expression with special meaning. So if I say it rains cats and dogs, this doesn't mean, of course, that if you go out you're going to see cats and dogs coming down from the sky. No, it means that it rains heavily. So these are idioms like a piece of cake, or okay, like at her wit's end, which means so upset that she doesn't know what to do. At her wit's end. These are other examples from your book. Tongue-tied means that you will have problems expressing yourself. Or on top of the world means feeling very happy to be able to do something. And on the edge of my seat means that I am fidget, and I am so interested, and I am so nervous and excited that I'm sitting nearly at the edge of my seat. And the last one, second thought, which means doubts about a decision that you may have please go back to this unit and take a quick look again, so that all this information is going to be more clear. And see you in the virtual classroom. Goodbye.